reports are open to the public. All right, today's date is April 6th, 2022. In Baylor County, Texas, I call cause number 11713 in the interest of Viviana Toby Martinez. What says the state?
Ready, Your Honor.
Also present by telephone is Margie Land. Are you ready to proceed, Ms. Land?
Yes, ma'am.
Present by telephone is also Javier Martinez. Are you ready to proceed, Mr. Martinez?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if you'd both listen carefully then, Ms. Kuntz, would you announce the agreement, please?
Yes, Your Honor. It's my understanding that the parties are in agreement that Ms. Land would have the right to designate the child's residence and that they would be joint managing conservators with Mr. Martinez having the right to standard possession order. And the child is under 3, but Mr. Martinez has already been having visitation. It's my understanding from the parties has already been having visitation with the child overnight on the 1st, 3rd, and 5th weekend of each month. So the parties do feel that the standard possession order is appropriate and in the child's best interest. We did some calculations for support based on Mr. Martinez's current income using guidelines. Mr. Martinez doesn't have any other minor children that were factored in. And it's my understanding the parties agree that Ms. Land will be responsible for applying for a government health plan for the child. Mr. Martinez will pay monthly medical support of $150 per month beginning May 1st, 2022. And any out-of-pocket care expenses necessary for the child would be that exceed the medical support would be 50-50 between the two parents, and that child support would be $774 per month beginning May 1st, 2022. It's my understanding from the parties that Mr. Martinez has been helping to support the child during the party separation, so Ms. Land is not requesting any retroactive child support be ordered. And Your Honor, that is my understanding of the agreement of the parties.
All right. And I'm waiving court costs because you all have worked so hard to come up with an agreement. That agreement, and I will sign off on an order. Ms. Kuntz is going to prepare that order for my signature. Let me ask you, Ms. Land, is that in fact
Yes.
the agreement you're making today?
I'm sorry, do what?
Is that what you're agreeing to today?
Yes, ma'am.
And you think it's in Viviana's best interest?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Mr. Martinez, is that what you're agreeing to today?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you also think it's good for Viviana?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Then I'm going to sign off on the order Ms. Kuntz prepares. There is a period of 3 business days during which anybody can request a new hearing. If you do that, you get a new hearing in front of the district court judge, and she would start over and make her own decision. But if nobody files for a new hearing, then this order starts to become final, and you should get a copy by email or by regular mail within about 2 weeks. If you don't get one, call the Wichita Falls AG's office and just remind them to send one to you. All right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you both. Good luck to you and your family. I really appreciate you being here today. And you are free to go. Have a good rest of your day.
You as well. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.